Hello, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? See me back again, Samuel Otondo. I am back here. This is gold. I want to analyze gold. I want to analyze gold and Sandy USDT. I'll start first with gold. I'll start first with gold. All right. So basically, as I normally advise, when you jump onto your charts, you start from the daily time frame. If there's no much information on the daily time frame, you go to your weekly time frame. All right. So on this weekly time frame, I think I'm seeing some levels around here, right? So on at that level, I just pull out my resistance line. I don't like using line on the weekly time frame. I don't like using line on the weekly time frame so that it will be a little bit smaller when you get to the lower time frames. All right, it will be smaller. But if you use this rectangle, on the big time frame, when you go to the low time frame, it's very big. So I normally use line. So I just mark out my support. Let's say here, right? Let's move down to daily time frame right now. And as you can see, the market has been trending, making higher highs and higher lows. All right, market has been trending. Let's connect our trend line properly right now. All right. So as you can see, the trend line is valid when it has maximum of 2 to 3 touch. Sorry, when it has at least 2 to 3 touch. That's only when the trend line is valid. And this is the first one. This is the second one. This is third one. This is fourth one. So basically, this trend line is valid. It's purely valid. All right. This trend line is purely valid right now. So gold has been trending upwards since June 2018. Gold has been massively trending up, massively. Oh my. It moves from around 1,190 something to around like 1,900 and something right now, right? So gold made a new high here, meeting this particular resistance level on the weekly time frame. This level I marked, this is my resistance level on the weekly time frame, right? And then making move towards the downside, all right? So basically, what is then making move towards the downside? It touched the trend line. It touched this trend line. Then I had to connect another trend line. We connect another trend line. It broke the trend line. It tested the trend line and started making move towards the upside. But I think that good from here. My anticipation for good from here is maybe downwards. Yeah, it's downwards. Or something like this. Or something like this to break out of this trend line and retest. It's first then making move towards downside, making lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. All right. So basically that's it for gold. But then we can't take our entries on daily time frames. You can just basically move down to the lower time frames, all right? But I think you can still also spot an entry from this lower time frame, all right? Here being the resistance, guys. Here being the resistance, all right? From the weekly time frame. And as you can see, the resistance held here. It's held here. This touch means that actually responded to the resistance on the daily and the weekly time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame right now. Let me just show you something. All right, see that level, see that particular level see the level here, of which it broke out and came back, also coming to retest that same level again. I don't know for now, but I think it's coming downward because this is a major resistance. Like there's no point like saying But if it breaks out and retests, and we see a clear break of counter trend line, then you know you are going up, right? But if it doesn't break this resistance, then we definitely we are going down, right? We are going down. But I think I can take some short entry around this level on the 4-hour time frame. If there is a break of this trend line here right now, if there is a clear break of this trend line, I think we are coming down here. But as usual, as you can see that this market has been trending up. So until we get a clear confirmation that the trend has changed to downtrend, I'm not shorting this market. I'm only looking for a long. This is just a kind of what I normally advise my students. All right, you should never go against the trend. You know why I say you should never go against the trend? Because if you go against the trend, sometimes it will not work for you. But if you're in line with the trend, sometimes even your analysis will be wrong. So after you've made profit and come out of the market, you see that purely that your analysis is very wrong. But because the market is just on like trending towards the side you traded, you are right. And that's what's happened to some of these crypto traders. Everybody sees himself as a king. When Bitcoin was going up, everybody was seeing himself as a king. But right now, when Bitcoin is dropping, all of them knew that, oh boy, this market is something else. So whenever the market is going up, everybody is winning. Or like whenever the market has a clear trend, everybody's making money. Almost everybody's making money. But then when the trend changes, man, guys, they're losing their money in cryptos. All right. So I would normally advise never go against the trend for whatever reasons. All right. So from here, what I'll be expecting is the break of this trend line on this daily time frame before I start taking entries. But me, I'm kind of a lower time frame trader, so I'm not seeing my setup around this level right now, right? I think I'm seeing another thing here, something like this. I don't know if it's so. Yeah, I'm not seeing my entries here, being that here is a resistance from the weekly time frame. All right, I'm not seeing any entry right now. All right, I'm not seeing any entry. Even if it breaks this trend line, start coming. Even if it breaks this trend line, I know it's coming down here, but I'm not taking an entry. I'm not taking a short position because I don't know. I don't like trading against the trend. It has not worked for me, but for someone else, it might work for the person. All right, it might work for the person, but for me, it doesn't work for me. But I normally advise. But it is generally advised that the trend is your friend. You go along with the trend. All right. So I'm done with this. Is gold. All right. I'm done with the gold analysis. What I'm anticipating gold, I'm anticipating that in the next few days or the next few weeks, gold will start shorting. All right. I'm seeing a clear downtrend for gold. If there is a clear break of this one for the short term, then if there is a clear break for this trend line, then we are going for a long-term downtrend for gold. Sorry. So let's move to SAND USDT. SAND USDT. Okay, this is SAND USDT. This is a cryptocurrency, right? I just wanted to just analyze this crypto, right? So as I normally advise, you start from the daily time frame, all right? You start from the daily time frame and mark out your resistance and your support. So basically, I'm seeing my support. I'm seeing my support around this level, all right? As I said before, I like using line if I'm trying to spot my entries on daily time frame. Sorry, if I'm trying to spot my resistance and support on daily time frame, I like using line. But if it's on the low time frame, like 4 hour or 1 hour, I can basically use rectangle. So basically, this is our resistance level. This is the particular place the price go, the markets go to, and then making move towards the downside. So basically, in the future, when the market hits up to around this level, I'm also expecting the market maybe to react and start coming down like Bitcoin did at its resistance, or maybe to break and retest and start moving up. All right. So the market has been on a downtrend for long right now. Since November 2021, the market has SAND USDT has been on a massive downtrend, making lower highs, making high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, but it made the same low. It did not break. And here, being also the support, it made the same low. All right. And sometimes this pattern can be seen as double bottom. double bottom, all right? And double bottom, I'm anticipate that the market is going up crazy, all right? Anticipate that the market is going up crazy. So I will not like spotting my entries on the weekly time frame, all right? On daily time frame, sorry. I like spotting my entries on the maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. But this is for cryptos, all right? So basically, I'm seeing this double bottom and also a clear break of this counter trend line here. Clear break of this counter trend line here. So I think if one is getting in around this level, all right, one is getting in around this level, it's an early entry, all right. It's a kind of wide stop loss because we will not see the wide stop, a kind of wide stop loss, something like here. I mean, put your profit target as here to here, the next key level, all right. The next key level, which is here, this place. Key levels are levels where the market goes and start making and start reacting to the level. So basically, market goes to this lower high and then making move also. So basically, the market can come here and also react and start coming down. All right. So if I'm to get in here, but I'm not seeing myself getting in here because it does not break the major trend line here. It has not broken this major trend line. If it breaks this major trend line, that's when I'll be interested in getting into long. But some people that normally like getting early entries, all right, early entries can take their position around here. Oh, okay, I think I'm seeing head and shoulder pattern trying to form around here. I'm seeing a head and shoulder pattern trying to form around here. So what's head and shoulder? This is the first shoulder. This is the head. Wait, let me just move this. This is the first shoulder. This is the head. This is I think this is coming to make the second shoulder. I think if I see a clear head and shoulder pattern, I'll just maybe position myself around here, right? If I see this clear head and shoulder hold, I'll pull up my entries, all right? Okay, that's it for today. I just analyzed gold and sand USDT. You guys should, if you are new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be informed when we release subsequent analysis. All right. I think that will be all for now. See you next week. Thank you so much.